Hey YouTube, I just want to show you, this is Second Chance Mowers coming at you. I just want to show you this new tool I picked up. Just came out, actually Milwaukee just released this, I think maybe the 7th. And I mean, for like car tires I would buy a bigger, like a 6.0 high output or something like that. But for lawnmower tires, wait till you see this thing. I think it's amazing. It's kind of pricey. It was 180 bucks. I already had the battery, but it's 180 bucks for this. But I'm picking up so many mowers that I don't want to bring electric with me. I got sick of using the air pump and using the tank. You know, only thing, I'm going to show you right now, it has these adapters which screw into there. I wish it didn't have a screw on thing, but these back tires are like 12, so even with this it don't take much power. It has a memory setting which you can set, like that's my front tires, lawnmower tires. That's for this back tire. You know, whatever you want to set. This thing is pretty great. Yeah, so we'll hit memory. We'll hit that. It'll show you what's in the tire. Look at this too. There's like a target I keep checking. There it is. That's it. I mean, so as simple as that. Right there. And it didn't even, I've already done like, well, I'm down to 1 bar, and that was like, I've done like 3 or 4 tires already. But this thing is going to come in really handy when I'm out picking up mowers. You know, it's portable. I got a few batteries, so it'll only take 1 battery to do a whole lawnmower anyways, not even a whole battery, but simple as that. You know, ready to roll. Pop out and do the other side. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do the other side. This one's pretty flat too. Look at that. We'll see how fast. It doesn't take long. You can do up to 150 psi, so you can use them for like the big trucks, 350s, 450s. I can live with that, and it's still at 1 bar, you know, so I could definitely do a whole tractor in probably 2 bars. This is a little 5.0 battery, so it's not even a high output, you know, but for on the road, like I said, it's like 183.83, but I'll surely get my use out of it. Plus with the car tires, my truck tires, my trailer tires, just keeping them up, you know, real quick, and not have to stop somewhere to do it or pull out my big air compressor. I love it. I think it'll pay for itself. Alright folks, Second Chance Mowers out.